Our next participant is Muhammad Hayat Baloch from SOS Children's Village School, Quetta.
Honorable guest and my dear friends, good afternoon. I am Muhammad Hayat Baloch, addressing on the behalf of SOS Children Village, Quetta, Balochistan. Today I feel honored to speak on the theme of Together for Health, Stand with Science. There is a powerful say, health is wealth. Without health, success loses its shine and happiness loses its meaning. A person may have wealth or fame, but without good health, life feels incomplete. That's why we protect health is not just a personal responsibility. A person may have wealth or fame, but without good health, life feels incomplete. That's why we protect health is not just a personal responsibility, it's a global duty. But the important question is, how do we protect health in our modern world? Answer is clear: through science. Science is like a beacon of light, guiding humanity toward better solution. It helps doctor discover medicines, researchers understanding diseases, and health experts develop life-saving strategies. And the power of science is not just a theory; it is supported by evidence. According to Global Health Organization, immunization program have saved at least 154 million lives in past 50 years. That means 6 lives every minute for 5 decades. Even more remarkable is that over 100 million of those lives were in France. According to another powerful example of smallpox, a disease that once killed millions of people, through scientific research and global cooperation, it became the first disease in the history to be completed decade in 1980s. Similarly, in 1988, more than 50,000 children were paralyzed by polio every year. Thanks to vaccine, polio cases have decreased by more than 99%. These achievements prove one important truth: when humanity stands with science, miracles become possible. But science alone cannot do anything. Cannot change the world. People must stand with science. Vaccines and medicines work only when society trusts them. When people ignore scientific advice, it is like sailing a ship without a compass. Vaccines still prevent 3.5 to 5 million deaths every year. Yet millions of children worldwide still miss essential vaccines. These numbers remind us that health is also a matter of awareness, equity, and cooperation. As the proverb says, a stitch in the time saves life. A stitch in time saves nine. Investing prevention today prevents bigger problem tomorrow. Health is also connected to our daily choices. Scientific research shows the regular physical activities can reduce the risk of heart disease by nearly 30%. Simple action: washing hands, eating healthy food, drinking clean water, and exercising may seem small, but little drop make the mighty ocean. However, today, a digital world, misinformation spread quickly, false health rumors can create fear and confusion. That's why we must really on trusted scientific source. As the saying goes, knowledge is power. My dear friends, the future of global health does not depend only on scientists and laboratories. It depends on all of us governments, teachers, doctors, parents, and even students like me and you. Health challenges does not respect borders. A virus can travel across continent within hours. That is why unity is strength. When community supports science and people work together, we build a healthier world. Today, let's make a promise. Let us support science. Let us promote healthier lifestyle. Let us fight misinformation and with education. But when we stand together for health, we stand with science. We are not only protecting ourselves, we are protecting the future of humanity. Together for health, together with science, together for a safer and healthier world. Thank you and very much.
Thank you, Hayat.